So now you know why this breakout here had more potential. And it is a simple trick. If you know it once, you know it for life. Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you in the love light of the one infinite creator. So, over time, we all tend to have very big lists of stocks, cryptos, or whatever we are trading. The list gets very big. So, sometimes, if not always, it's a good idea to know exactly what can separate one stock or one crypto from another. There's a simple trick in understanding what it takes for an explosive move to take place between two stocks or cryptos that you are considering. All right, let's go. So here I have an example of two stocks. One of them is breaking out as of today. And what we're going to be looking at in this video is the RSI in relationship to where it is trading and where it has been trading in the past. So this is one view, one stock. This is the base it's been forming. Right now we can say this is a breakout. Now that's your first option. Now the other option is a previous setup. This is what it looked like in February of 2022. And take a look here again at your RSI. Here we have the RSI trading at 72. Give or take, almost 73. So about 72 plus on the RSI. And this one that's breaking out this month, as of today, has an RSI value of, let's call it 68. Between the two, which one looks like a more favorable candidate if you're going to filter, if you need to own one of the two? Based on the RSI, which one is more inviting to you? The one that was and is still inviting based on my question is the second one, LXU, which I mentioned as a breakout candidate on February 4th, 2021. All right, I'll show you why. And I'm going to have some links in the description of this video explaining this method in further detail. You know that a stock is poised for greatness if it can form a new base, as we did here. We formed a new base, sideways action for about 2 months there. But now, take a look at your RSI, and this is the main takeaway. During this process, the RSI stayed above, yes, you got that right, 69.1. Holding above this RSI threshold is the key to understanding and filtering out what could be an okay breakout and what could end up being a powerful moving instrument. So again, in this one example, the stock was above 69.1 all the way going back to August, September of 2021. And by the time I was sending out that breakout alert for paid clients, you can see the RSI had still and was still holding above that 69.1 threshold. Now compare that with the other stock that I was using here as an example for illustration. It is breaking out, yes. Could have some upside, yes. But it's lacking a major ingredient, which as of right now, the RSI is not above 69.1. If it's going to do well, it must and needs to eventually move above 69.1 and hold above that. So between the two, I would take LXU. Now, remember, I said there are going to be links in the description explaining that method. If you take a look at how the stock has performed since February, so within a month or so, the stock has almost doubled in price. And you can see this breakout was set by this powerful base formation when the RSI refused to go below 69.1. And so by the time it breaks out again, it is a clear sign that there is another explosive phase. So now you know why this breakout here had more potential. And it is a simple trick. If you know it once, you know it for life. And so it is. I disconnect now in the love and light of the one infinite supreme creator. Until we meet again. Bye.